Hello, I'm Daniel. As the weather's getting hotter, we decided to show you how to make some iced tea. To start off with the iced tea, there are a couple of methods to do it, and we're going to be showing you the hot method. So I've got water in here. It's been boiled up to 100 degrees, so we'll just do that like normal. And then the amount of tea leaves I have here is double what we would normally use. So I've got about 9 grams here, 9 to 10 grams here, whereas we would normally use around 5 for a teapot this size. So I'm just going to pop the leaves in, wait for around 3 minutes, and then we're going to continue. So now the tea has been brewed. I'm going to take out the filter and the tea. Let's strain it there a bit. Okay, lovely. It's got a very nice brown colour to it. So we've also got plenty of ice here that we're going to add to a jug. Let's start on this side. So you have to use quite a lot of ice because the tea is quite hot and you're going to cool it down quite quickly. So that's all the ice. And I'm going to pour the tea over it. There we go. So the brew is a bit lighter in the jug, which makes it quite nice. So there we go, perfect. There are plenty of options to sweeten your iced tea. We've all seen iced tea in the shops, and they've normally got sugar added or something like that. We're going to be using agave syrup, so I'm just going to add quite a large amount there to make it nice and sweet. And I'm going to give it a stir. Lovely. Now we're going to let it sit for a bit so all the flavours blend together and so that it can cool down quite a bit. For a garnish, we can use lemons. They're a very nice option and they go well with the apricot and most of the iced teas we have on offer. So what you want to do is just make slices. You can use any type of fruit really for this, it's just that the lemon seems to go well. So there we go. So we just add the slices in for an extra bit of flavour there. Perfect, now we just have to wait a bit more. So the tea seems to be ready. It's nice and cold. So I'll just pour it into the cup, the glass. There we go. So there's one, and there's the other. There we go. I'll just add a bit of mint for just a bit of extra flavour and as a bit of a garnish on top. And if this isn't cold enough, you can feel free to add some more ice, especially if you're outside at a barbecue or something. And yeah, now it's ready to enjoy. Another method to make iced tea is to use the cold infused method. To do that, you take your teapot as you normally would, you add double the amount of leaves, and you add cold water and you just leave it in the fridge overnight. This allows the tea to brew without any of the tannins coming out, so the brew will be a bit sweeter and just as good and refreshing on the next day. Cheers. Really good.
Very nice.